Afternoon students, welcome to the Dr. D.Y. Patil Senior College of Shahunagar. First year BCom semester first, subject marketing and salesmanship part 1, unit 4 part 2. So explain the middleman. What is mean by middleman? Middleman is included wholesaler, retailer, agents and brokers. Got it? What is mean by middleman? So we are going to introduce middleman and meaning and definition. Okay, so what is mean by middleman? Middleman means it's a included wholesaler, retailer, agents, brokers, and the wholesaler and agents are close to the प्रोड्यूसर. होलसेलर जो एजेंट्स होते हैं और जो होलसेलर्स होते हैं वो किसके नज़दीक होते हैं? वो प्रोड्यूसर के नज़दीक होते हैं. देन रिटेलर एंड ब्रोकर्स एक्वायर द गुड्स फ्रॉम द होलसेलर एंड सेल्स दैम इन द स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज टू द कंज्यूमर्स. मतलब जो कस्टमर के पास आता है, कस्टमर को जो प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड करता है वो स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज़ में प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड करता है, बट वो कहाँ से आता है? वो होलसेलर और रिटेलर से आता है. ठीक है, understand what is mean by middleman. Then we are going to next point is a agent middleman. So what is mean by agent middleman? There are totally 5 types of middleman, means agent middleman. First one is कमीशन एजेंट, जो कमीशन लेते हैं. आपको मालूम है कमीशन का मतलब क्या होता है? आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि अगर हम लोगों ने कुछ प्रॉफिट किया तो हम लोगों को वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं कमीशन मिलता है, या फिर मैंने किसी को कस्टमर दिया तो वो जो सेलर्स होते हैं वो हम लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ कमीशन देते हैं. वो बोलते कि चलो हम लोगों के पास 10 कस्टमर लेकर आओ और पर कस्टमर आप 200 लो, 1000 लो, इसको हम लोग कमीशन यूज़ करते हैं. तो आपको जो समझ में आता है कमीशन के बारे में आप लिख सकते हो वहाँ पे. ठीक है, commission means okay, commission agent. Then someone who sell the company products, such a receive a part of the company, means money paid for the goods for doing, and such is a business conduct through the commission agents who sell is their families and friend. Then next one is a broker. So what is mean by brokers? Brokers means the financed of a broker is a person who is the buyer and seller things behalf of their behalf of other, a person who you has to buy a stock for you on a stock exchange. On the example of a brokers, first one is a broker also may be a person who sell insurance product offered by the different companies, or a someone who sell a real estate. Okay, got it. Then next one is a factors. So what is mean by factors? Something that the help producer of a result to a price was a factors in my decision. First one, something maybe any of the number of that when the multiple together from the product and the factor of 6 or 1 2 3 and 6 factors, verb factors and affecting. Then next one is a auction. Auction is a need to a person who manage as auctions or a public sale at which is the public can bid on items, and it is the job of an auction to organize the goods for sale at an auction, as well as to overs to bidding and suppose bidding, and often and bidders to work compared with the each other to drive the price up. The next one is a selling agents. What is mean by selling agents? The selling agents is a presented to be a buyers in the home sellers. आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा जो सेल्स कौन करता है? सेलिंग मतलब क्या होता है? बेचना. अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट परचेस कर रहा है या फिर कोई प्रोडक्ट बेच रहा है, ठीक है, बेचना मतलब सेलिंग करना. अगर कोई एजेंट जो बीच में आता है वो सेल्स करता है तो फिर वो कोई भी कुछ भी सेल कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, नहीं ये अभी ये होम सेलर है, ठीक है, ये कहीं हम लोगों को होम सेल्स कर रहे हैं, तो फिर बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं इसके अंदर. दैट द मीन्स अराउंड द confusing, but there is a logic behind that the technology, and prior the correct being a sign at the agent, then the sign and at the agent representing the buyers of the called as a buyers agent. इसी को ही हम लोग कहते हैं buyers agent. So I hope all of you understand what is mean by buyers means selling agent. Then next one is sixth one, forwarding. फॉरवर्डिंग एंड क्लियरिंग एजेंट. किस तरह से वो क्लियरिंग एजेंट बोला जाता है. तो व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्लियरिंग एजेंट? क्लियरिंग एजेंट इज अ forwarding agent means by any person who is engaged in providing any service either directly or indirectly connected with the clearing and forwarding operations in any manner to any other person. And enclosed is a in consuming agent is to be of a finance. Got it? Then next one is a types of description channel for a consumer goods and इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स. किस तरह से हम लोग कंज्यूमर गुड्स दिया गया है, और नेक्स्ट वन इज़ अ इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ मैन्युफैक्चरर्स कंज्यूमर यूजर्स चैनल मीन्स डायरेक्ट सेलर. किस तरह से डायरेक्ट सेल वहाँ पे किया जाता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू कंज्यूमर गुड्स एंड इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स. द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स इंक्लूडेड द होलसेलर, रिटेलर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स एंड द इंटरनेट. एंड द डायरेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल इज द मैन्युफैक्चरर सेल डायरेक्टली और टू द कंज्यूमर डायरेक्टली. चैनल involve the multiple international and a behalf of products to be enough of that the hand of the consumer. Then first one is a manufactured first one क्या करते हैं, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं. देन कंज्यूमर, देन यूज़र चैनल्स डायरेक्टर सेल करते हैं. किस तरह से डायरेक्टर सेल किया जाता है मैन्युफैक्चर से लेके कंज्यूमर तक. देन फर्स्ट वन इज अ distribution channel can be included the manufacturer, wholesaler, shipping and किस तरह से shipping करते हैं centers related retails and the other events of a intern. Direct channel also the customer to a buyer's goods directly from the manufacturer and will as an indirect channel move and product through the other distribution channel to get to the consumer. Got it? Then next one is a manufacturer retailer and consumer. किस तरह से एक कोई भी प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर किया जाता है, वहाँ से रिटेलर के पास जाता है, देन उसके बाद कंज्यूमर के पास जाता है. गॉट इट? फर्स्ट वाले पॉइंट में हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, पहले मैन्युफैक्चर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर होता है वो डायरेक्टली कंज्यूमर के पास आता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट में दिया गया है पहले मैन्युफैक्चर होता है, रिटेलर के पास वो प्रोडक्ट जाता है, देन कंज्यूमर के पास प्रोडक्ट जाता है. Then retailer consumer, the purchase to be made by the retailer from the manufacturer and then the retailer sell the manufacturing to the consumer. And the channel is used by the manufacturer that the specialized in the producing shopping goods, for example clothes, shoes, furnitures and fine chinas. Got it? Then third one is a manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and then consumer. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट पहले मैन्युफैक्चर होता है, उसके बाद होलसेलर के पास जाता है, देन रिटेलर एंड देन फाइनली कंज्यूमर. ओके, अभी इनमें देखो किस तरह के पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. द मेड टू बी अ मैन्युफैक्चरर सेल द material to the wholesaler, also called as a stockist, and or distribution means distributor. The wholesaler to the retailer and then the retailer sells to the consumer. And here the wholesaler, after the purchasing the material in large quantity from the manufacturing, sale in the small quantity to the retailers. Got it? Then fourth one is a manufacturers, agents, wholesaler and then consumer. गेट इट. सबसे पहले प्रोडक्ट्स के पास जाते हैं हम लोग, मैन्युफैक्चर होता है, एजेंट्स के पास जाता है, रिटेलर्स के पास जाता है. वन मिनट. ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैन्युफैक्चर पास जाता है, एजेंट्स के पास जाता है, होलसेलर एंड देन द कंज्यूमर. देन फर्स्ट वन इज अ 3 level of channel. The distribution channel is involved the some more than the one intermediary. It's known as a before of the product gets into the hands of the consumers and is the middleman. It's known as agents. And assets will be negotiations between the manufacturer and the seller. Next one is a manufacturer, agents, retailers and consumer. So the agents of a brokers and a wholesaler, retailers, consumer is a 3 level of channels. And the distribution the channel involve the more than the one industrial या फिर one mandatory before the product and gets into the hands of the consumer and the middleman. It's known of the agents. Asset will be a negotiation between the manufacturer and the seller. Got it? And then we are going to next point is a 6 manufacturer, wholesaler, consumer uses. Okay, then first one is a manufacturer, marketing is a goods and sales, then the consumer directly with the non-intermediary, and then such a wholesaler, agents or retailer, goods come from the manufacturers to the use without in any intermediary and all the military and all middleman the for example of the farmer maybe sell some product directly to the consumer. Got it? Directly to consumer. Then next one is a factor influence सिलेक्शन ऑफ अ चैनल्स. किस तरह से फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग सिलेक्शन ऑफ अ चैनल. द फर्स्ट वन इज अ प्रोडक्ट. तो व्हाट इज मीन बाय प्रोडक्ट? आप सबको मालूम है प्रोडक्ट मतलब क्या होता है. प्रोडक्ट इज सिलेक्शन रिफर्स टू अ प्रोसेस बाय इन सच अ हेल्प प्रोग्राम हैज़ टू बी अ होल select and evaluated and ultimately product and a procedure of the product and as well as used to be used and consumed in the service in delivery and the prioritizing and the particular prioritizing. Okay, then the prioritizing particular product can be a tools for the supplier and a channel managers to be ensure availability of those product. Then next one is a market selection. Next one is a market. So what is mean by market selection is to be a procedure of a designing design with the market to be involved to be invest in and purchasing in a purchasing and any of and one of the major criteria to be keep in the mind will the doing a market selection is their growth potential of the market. And what is the potential for a company is a revenue to be a growth by investing in the particular market. Got it? And then next one is a cost. So what is mean by cost? The employee selection the process, the usually entire notification or to advertising, reviewing या फिर screening, interviewing, testing, then the selecting the best available candidate. And then fourth one is a channel used by rival competitor. Rival competitor. The channel to be a company said to be a competitor is included for marketing, TSC and bundles and submission skills. And then fifth one is a marketing environment. Marketing environment is the meaning of marketing environment. The marketing environment is the refers to the all internal and external factors and which is a directly or indirectly influence to be organization decided decision and the related to be a marketing activities. Marketing activities is a try to be a predicting with the changes and with the made to the take place and future by monitoring the marketing environment. Got it? Then last one is sixth one is a company. So what is mean by company? I hope all of you understand what is mean by company. The main of factors of a consider within the which is the selecting to the channel of distribution area, the nature of the products to be a market, the nature of a middleman, the nature of the size of a manufacturing unit, government regulation and police and the competition. Okay, then next one means that the continue to be a promotion mix. So what is mean by promotion mix, guy? Promotion mix is a integration of advertising, advertising and a personal selling, sales promotion, public relation and direct marketing. The marketing need to be a view of the promotional mix refers to the one marketing mix and four pieces and consists the advertising, public relation, personal selling and sales promotion. Got it? What is mean by promotion? And next one is the elements of a promotion mix. So there are totally 5 types of elimination. First one is advertising. So what is mean by advertising, guys? First of all, we are going to definition of elements of a promotion mix. The promotion mix is refers to a blend of a several promotional tool they use by the business to create, maintain the increase the demand for goods and services. The product mix. Got it? There is a product mix is a integrate of advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relation and direct marketing. Got it? And the first one is advertising. So what is mean by advertising? Advertising means the defined of advertising is a mean of a communication with the use of a product to services. अगर मुझे किस चीज़ का अगर प्रमोशन करना हो, अगर मेरी कंपनी कोई कोको कोला बना रही है तो कोको कोला का एडवर्टाइजिंग मैं कैसे करूँगी? पब्लिक के पास ये सारी चीज़ें इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे पहुँचेगी? वो किसके साथ पहुँचेगी? वो एडवर्टाइजिंग के साथ ही पहुँची जाती है. द एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज़ अ मैसेज पेड फॉर बाय द अदर how to send them the and the internet to be informed to a influence people would the receive them. The definition defined by the advertising and association of the UK की side में. Then next one is the publicity. So what is mean by publicity? In the marketing, publicity is the public visibility and whether answerness of the any product, service, the person or organization. The company किस में जाता है? वो पर्सन एंड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट मे बी ऑल्सो refers to the movement of information from the source of the general public and often the but not to be always viva of a media. That okay, often about the always viva of a media. And then next one is a personal selling. Personal selling is a selling of a face to face of a selling टेक्निक. सेलिंग टेक्निक का मतलब फेस टू फेस तो आपको समझ में आया होगा किस तरह से कंपनी फेस टू पर्सनल सेलिंग में आता है. फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन करना, फेस टू फेस किसी ब्रांड के एडवर्टाइजिंग करना, जैसे कि आप लोग करते हो. अगर कोई आपको शॉप में से कोई ड्रेस पसंद आ गया तो आप खुद से माउथ टू माउथ पब्लिकेशन करते हो, उसी तरह से कहते हैं द फेस टू फेस ऑफ सेलिंग टेक्निक एंड विच इज़ द सेल्स रिस्पॉन्स use his or her interpersonal skills to be a purpose customers to be a buying a particular product. The seller the salesperson tired to highlight variable features of the product and to the convince of the customer that it will be only add value. The next one is the sales promotion. So what is mean by sales promotion? Sales promotion is a marketing strategy in which is a business used to be a temporary commanding of the offer increase to interest and to the demand in it is the product or services. And there are maybe a reason each with the business may be a choose to use sale a promotion, but the primary reason is to be a boost sales. The next one is a public relation. So public relation is a society of the suppose American defined the public of relation. The categories of a communication is a process that the bulls and manufactured, yeah, mutually difficultly and a relationship between the organization and their public. Got it? And the next one is the factors affecting marketing promotion mix. There's totally many type of factors of marketing. Then first one is a product. The first one is a the product means the types of promotion goods of first one is the factors of effective marketing promotion means the types of products to be a types products fail to be in for yani importance roles of design deciding on the promotion mix use of products. Then complexity of a product, purchase quality and frequency and fund available for the market promoters. Got it? And then next one is the types of market, size of market, stage of product life cycle. And then the first one is promotion mix. The first one is a promotion mix is to be a promotion mix is to be a elements of the marketing mix is a included advertising, public relations and personal sales and sales promotion. Medicine medium of a used to be a promotion included the internet, television, then advertisements, special events and indoor statement, newspaper and magazines जो भी हम लोगों की मैगजीन्स होती है वो. द बायस टू बी अ नेक्स्ट वन इज टू बी बायस टू बी अ न्यू इनिशिएटिव हैव द गिवन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अ चाइना. हाँ, चांसेस टू बी अ शो अ स्पेसिफिक द ड्रिंक टू बी अ की bias to a target and the channels of the non targets for the use of first means your first. Okay, next one is a channel choice. The channel choice means they involve the understanding the ultimate use and how they perfect to a purchase uh, merchandise. Got it? Then next one is a promotion technique of market. Okay, the next one is a premium. Okay, the premium means what? Promotion technique of methods. There are totally 4 types of method. First one is a premium. The premium means what? The sum of money of a bonus paid to additions of the regular price salary of other amount. The premium of defined as the reward to be a amount of money that to be person pay from insurance and explain for the premium is an end of the year bonus. The example of a premium is to be a monthly care insurance to payment. And the next second one is a contest means to be a make the subject of a distribute to a constitute or the litigation to a specially dispatched channels to be declared to a relative and are the considering have will the context to a known and context to a known then connect. The next one is a price deal. So what is mean by price deals? Price deals means that to the buyer and seller to something as to be a business he held offer deals in the rate of books to be or in the involved something something a tailors dealing with the maybe in mostly we don't deal in rumor a gossip. And third one and third to be included someone is a card games. Do you want to play card with us? And sure deals me in. Then next one is the other sale of promotion. Got it? Other sale of promotion, there totally five types of promotion, sorry, eight types of promotion. First one is a discounted product. It means adding to a discounted to your products is a possible the most popular types of promotion. Then free shipping means free returns and flash sales. Buy more and save more than a प्रोडक्ट या ब्रांड गिफ्ट. देन लॉयल्टी पॉइंट्स, जो भी उनकी की पॉइंट्स आती है वो यहाँ पे मेंशन की गई है, यानी okay. Overall your totally 4 units there will be finished. First one is the introduction to market and segmentation of marketing mix. Third one is a product mix and price mix, and fourth one is a price mix and promotion mix. Got it all of you? And all the best for your exam, and thank you so much.